Morning, students. Today's we are going to discuss about the basics once again. Wave motion. So, wave it is the disturbance traveling in a medium due to the vibrating motion of the medium virtue of elasticity and inertia. So, it is a disturbance of traveling in a medium. So, disturbance of a particle. So, simply it's a form of energy. So, wave having the types of waves, direction of propagation of wave, oscillation of medium particles. So there are mainly two types: transverse waves, longitudinal waves. So in the case of transverse waves, the wave propagation perpendicular to the particles are perpendicular to the wave propagations. So in the case of longitudinal waves, so particle motion is parallel to the wave propagation. That is the difference between the transverse waves and longitudinal waves. So wave motion, here it is the lambda. The distance between the adjacent threads or troughs is known as wavelength, denoted by lambda, angstroms, units, centimeters, meters, nanometers. So wavelength is defined as the successive distance between the two crests or troughs. So the crest, the trough. So the successive distance between crests or troughs is called wavelength, denoted by lambda. The velocity with c and moves forward is called wave velocity. So relation between lambda and c. The relation between lambda and c is equals to, that is the velocity, c is equals to lambda by t. So here c is equals to nu lambda. Wave motion, properties of medium for the propagation of transverse and longitudinal waves. So there are three properties mainly: elasticity, inertia, minimum friction, and last medium is isotropic. So first one, elasticity, so that all particles can return to their mean position after disturbance. So elasticity means all the particles return to their mean position. All particles return to their mean position, that is elasticity. And inertia, particles can store energy and overshoot their mean position. So particles can store energy, and so that is the inertia. Minimum friction, less loss of energy. So minimum friction, so due to the minimum friction, so there is a less loss of energy. And last, medium is isotropic. Isotropic means identical, means the properties of the medium are same in all directions. That is the wave motion properties are elasticity, inertia, minimum friction. Medium is isotropic. They are the main properties of the medium for the propagation of transverse and longitudinal wave. Next, impedance. So impedance in the case of waves, transverse or longitudinal waves, So impedance is a opposition force. It opposes the flow of energy. So characteristic of impedance of a string, the ratio of the transverse force applied to the string to generate a wave motion in it and the transverse velocity of the particle. So simply characteristic impedance means ratio of transverse force to the transverse velocity. That is the impedance. So it opposes the energy flow.